Hi guys. So here's a simple look I requested from Delicious, and she came through. So I'm going to give you a very short preview of what went down, and I hope you enjoy this. It was fun for me anyways. My lashes were so short, but yeah, I wanted natural and I went for natural. And then the blush. Guys, blushes just make everything look so rosy and perfect. And then the setting spray just trapped every good thing in there. Lips, whenever I get here, I'm always excited because I know that I'm done. I am done. This is the last thing. I'm always excited. But wait, though, the wig. Yeah, finally.